Yeah, good morning, everyone. We saw yesterday US market again coming off. We are seeing a consistent decline in the US market. Whatever the bounce back came day before yesterday was totally negated yesterday. Though futures are marginally positive, but the impact of a US market is visible on the Asian market as well. They are also down. Most of the Asian markets are down. Yesterday, US inflation data came, which came at around 0.3% month on month, uh, and which was against expectation of zero point 0.4, and month on month it was 0.5. In fact, excluding energy and food, the inflation data came at 0.1%. So that was indicating that the inflation is cooling off. So we have a lower job data, that job addition was low, and also inflation is coming off, and Fed is looking at tapering. So all these are indicating putting some pressure on the US market. Apart from that, metal prices also are softening. We Oil though is steady at around $74, but aluminum has seen decline of around 1.5%. We had seen very sharp run up in the aluminum in last days. Apart from that, crude copper is also down by around 1%, and iron ore is down by around 4%. So this is iron ore is down mainly on account of today steel production data has come. The crude steel production came at around 83.24 million ton for the August month, as compared to 86.79 million ton in July, and last year around 94.85 ton. So year on year it is declined by over 13%. So that is indicating the lower demand for iron ore. As such, iron ore prices are declining over there. So this can act negative for the iron ore companies in India. So direct iron ore is NMDC. But apart from that, the other iron ore or pellet supplier in India are Godavari Power, then Sarda Energy, Jindal Shaw, and the new listing companies, Sham Metallic. So these are the company which are manufacturing iron ore or pellet, which is substitute to iron ore, and can have a negative impact in today's trade. And apart from that, one more development is that the coking coal, which is the other raw material for making of the steel, has gone up very sharply in last 7-10 days. 7-10 days back, it was at around $265, and it is at around $334. So the increase is quite sharp in this respect, and this is increasing the cost of steel making. So some companies are benefiting on account of decline in iron ore prices, but on the other hand, coking coal prices are increasing very sharply, so negating the benefit of iron ore decline. But the companies like SAIL and Tata Steel, which has a captive iron ore mine, are getting larger impact, because they will not be benefiting from decline in iron ore prices as they got captive iron ore, but their cost will be increasing because of the increase in the coking coal cost. So more negative for Tata Steel and SAIL. I'll request technical team to take up first.
Yes, sir. Good morning, all of you. See, yesterday we see that market trade in volatile session, and we already mentioned that the upside resistance for index 17,440, 17,400 is a resistance zone for index, and we see after profit booking in higher level, market close near of 17,380 range. Do we expect sideways momentum today also? And if Nifty break the important resistance level is upside is 17,470 level, 440 level, then we expect further momentum. Otherwise, Nifty trading within the range 1 to 2 trading session. Downside 17 270 280 is important support zone for Nifty. Do expect Nifty trading within the range is 100 to 150 points only. Bank Nifty also trading near important resistance zone, that is 37,000 and 36,800 range, and downside support place at 36,300 range. So we can expect Bank Nifty also trading is a 3 to 400 points range only. If Bank Nifty also break 37,000 in upper range, then we expect further momentum towards 37,400 to 500 in upside. In stock specific, in Nifty Finance also trading in the resistance zone, that is comes around 18,300 to 18,350 range, and support place at 18,150 with 18,200 range. So Nifty Finance also trading within the range. So we expect all three index trading in a sideways momentum. In a little bit in proper booking session we can expect today. In stock specific, yesterday we already given a escort is hit the target. Today we expect positive momentum in GAIL. GAIL break important level is 152 range and close above that important level. So we expect further momentum towards 160 at 170. Downside support place at 140 at 147 level. So we can keep watch and bail. Second, LNT looks positive at current level. Above 1690, LNT next level will be the 1750, 1760. Support place at downside 1680, 1678, 78. You can keep watch LNT for buy side. NOSIL looks positive about 290. We already given call in NOSIL. Do we expect further positive momentum in NOSIL towards 310, 120 in upside? Support place at 280 to 284 range. Mazgaon Docks also looks positive at current level. We expect further positive momentum towards 260, 270 in upside. Downside support place 245 to 44. You can keep watch this 3 to 4 stocks for technical purpose. That's it for technical. Derituga and Kar.
Thank you, Vikas. See, on the derivative front, the major indicators are still flat to positive. So no sign to worry really. Also 17,500 has regained as the highest open interest base for the calls, and that is good. We were seeing 17,400 strike, witnessing a strong, becoming the strong resistance for Nifty, and Nifty has not been able to close above the 17,400 odd level. So definitely, I believe, for Nifty, now the upside opens up and Nifty can go up toward the 17,500 odd levels going forward. The VIX continues to remain below the 14 levels, which is a good sign. The downward support for Nifty is becoming strong around the 17,300 levels. You're seeing from the past few sessions, Nifty has been closing in the range of 17,300 and 400 levels. So once we see a breakout of 17,400 today, or going forward, we will see Nifty take down 17,500 as well. So one can continue to go long on dips. From the stock specific front, some PSU stocks continue to perform as we've been saying. The PSUs, especially IRCTC, has seen aggressive open interest built up and aggressive move as well. The others like GAIL, ONGC, Coal India, they are primed to move up as well. So one can look to buy these stocks going forward. Also, Deepak Nitrate, after a long time, has witnessed a good amount of short covering, and it has broken out above important levels. So I believe Deepak Nitrate can be bought as well for short-term trading with a target of 2600. That's it from my side. I like to ask the fundamental team to take over this.
So nothing much today on fundamental side. One is that Sri Cement has announced expansion plan in Rajasthan of around 3.5 million ton addition to total capacity. They currently has around 47 million ton of capacity, and there will be addition of around 3.5 million ton here. And another grinding unit in the eastern region, and also planning for expansion of solar power plant. So all these will have investment of around 5,000-6,000 crores of rupees, which is okay for the size of the company of Sri Cement. And the benefit of all this expansion will be taking a lot of time, not immediately, except the solar power plant, which will start in a year's time. So some benefit can come from that. But overall, it's more of a neutral for Sri Cement. Then there was a job date. There was a Hindustan Aeronautic has signed with Rolls-Royce for supply of flights part to Rolls-Royce. So that can act as positive for Hindustan Aeronautics. So that's all from us. Thank you very much and have a good day.